Alright, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to attach your frontside belt bag to your skateboard. So when you get the bag, it'll look something like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these clips right here and you're going to put them right around the front of the board underneath the front set of trucks. So once you have it adjusted, you put it right under there and you clip it underneath. And once you clip it, you can pull the little tabs to tighten it to make sure it's secure underneath the front set of trucks. What you're going to do next is you're going to take the second set of clips right here, and that'll go around the tail underneath the back set of trucks. And it's really important to make sure to tighten these so it does not slip off the tail of your board. So once it's nice and tight, it'll look something like this. So you can see you have one set of clips under the front trucks and one set of clips underneath the back truck right around the tail. And from this side, it'll look like this. So once you're ready, you take your bag, go like this, sling it right over your shoulder, and you're good to go. All of your stuff sits right up front and your board's in your back. When you take it off, all you do, quickly unclip it. And if you want to wear it like a regular sling bag, all you'll do is take the clips, you attach them together just like this, here and here, and then you throw it over your shoulder, same deal. You have a bag that sits right up front, it adjusts on this side, and the small clips. So, thanks again for purchasing a frontside belt bag.